Hey guys, what's up? It's Nate. I just set cruise control and I'm headed down to my buddy's. I got off work just barely. I went home and changed, hence the reason I'm in comfortable clothes. Thank goodness that my workday now gets over at 5. It kind of leaves me with a little bit more free time to do what I want. Today we're obviously getting out. We're going to work on the Audi. Actually, we're not really going to work on the Audi today, unfortunately, but we are going to push it back into the garage, put it back up on jack stands, and honestly, we're going to check and see if the starter is even hooked up. If it is that easy, then you guys are going to be joining me today for a startup vlog of the Audi. That would be something super exciting, but I don't think it's going to be that simple. So we're going to get the Audi set up to get it back being worked on again. I've been doing a lot of research, guys. It's not the camshaft position sensor that would crank, but it wouldn't start or it wouldn't fire properly. I don't think it's the immobilizer, because if it was the immobilizer, the car would turn on briefly and then shut itself right back off. So I really don't feel like it's the immobilizer. For those of you that don't know what an immobilizer is, so when you get your key on your car, usually it's like a 2000 or newer, maybe a 99, 98, somewhere in there. It's newer than that, but you have the key with like the plastic black fob type thing on the end that's hard plastic. It's like the handle or the grip on the key. Well, inside of that handle is actually a really small RFID chip or a glass pill with some sort of magnetic type electronic device in it with a code on it. And when you stick that key into your ignition or your switch on your car to turn it on, that chip has to match the code that's programmed into your car. So your car will scan the code, and if they match, it lets your car stay running. If they don't match, then it's not going to let you turn on the car. So what could have happened with the Audi is being unplugged or having the battery or the power cut to the car for over a month. It might have erased those codes, so it's not recognizing the key anymore as the key that belongs to that car, which really sucks if that's the case, because this is an Audi. It's a 99 Audi that has a lot of problems, or had a lot of problems, and so it's probably not worth doing, but the dealership would charge probably about $300 to get that reprogrammed. So yeah, I'm a little bit sour about that, and there are some locksmiths that can do it, but then again, this is an Audi. I really hope it's not the immobilizer. Those are some ideas that we have. Some other issues it could be with maybe a sensor that's simply unplugged or plugged in wrong or not plugged into the right spot. But whatever it is, I'm going to track this problem down. I literally have all of my money into this car right now. I don't get paid until the 30th, and I have a wedding coming up in July. I'm really hoping that I can get this car fixed. I'm not hoping, I am going to get this car fixed, because that's the only way I can stop driving my baby, my truck, putting so many miles on it. We're at 173.3 right now, and I need the cash. So I am somewhat worried about it, but honestly I think it's going to work out, because guys, when you put your mind to it, you can do anything. So we're here at my buddy's shop. He's the mechanic. I'm not the mechanic. He's working on his car, trying to replace a half shaft. And he's also doing something to his pickup. Looks like he's making it lighter. He's probably gonna do something with that. There's my pickup, and there's the Audi. So yeah, we gotta get this done. We screamed it well and then screwed it on. In case you're wondering what he's up to, that's gotta come off, and that's not coming off. So Corey's currently using a flex handle with a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter to a socket, and then he's got his jack handle on top of that, and the nut's still not coming off. And I'm sitting in here supposed to be holding the wheel, which I have neglected to do. So this is Corey's car. First time it's ever been featured on the channel. It's a Pontiac. A 2007 Grand Prix to be precise. And it's a very nice car. It's quite quick, in fact. I think you need WD-40. I mean, it's so tight we thought it was reverse threaded, but it's not because Corey screwed a nut on. Something in here is like crackling. We're now gonna go get a drill. Man, this truck looks so good and so dirty. And this bed liner thing's all falling apart, so that's probably a project to come. Well, I lied. We're not taking the truck. And instead, let's admire the Audi. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful car. So while I'm here, I figured I might as well show you guys some of what we were doing, because I figure that, like I said before, we're probably just going to get this in the shop tonight, but obviously we were working on the battery because I was hoping that that's where it was at. But it wasn't, so we get to make more videos for you guys. Super exciting. I'm not crying, my eye just started watering for some reason. So Corey's holding a nail with vice grips, and he's grinding it off to make a rivet type thing, but yeah, totally safe. Nothing else to go wrong, right? It actually worked. All you can see is Idaho. It actually worked. Well, Corey is finishing up on his door handle. The day is wrapping up here in big, wonderful, beautiful Wyoming. We're probably not going to get to the Audi tonight, like I said in the video. I'm not sure we're even going to want to pull it in. It's over there looking all sad. So anyways, that's probably it for today's video and today's vlog. You get to see some of the projects that Corey's got going on, and the sad Audi over there, probably not wanting to ever be driven again, but we're gonna force it back to work. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got some good content coming for you guys and some exciting announcements, so we'll catch you in the next one.
Got something.
Next level.